It's all. It ain't about if you gonna be chosen, it's about if you gon' answer the call. I'm about to ball, John Wall. This life gon' take.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. First off, I gotta say I'm so sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Life has been a little crazy, but I have been posting shorts pretty much daily for you guys because I know that I still need to be getting content out. But anyways, today we will be reviewing the Hyte Y40 case, also with the ANB1 cable ties. No, not cable ties, cable extensions for your PC. These were supposed to be two separate videos, but I had to stretch them into one, mainly because I got both of them now pretty much like a month ago, and I know I got to get a video out quick for you guys, so because I haven't been posting in a while. I know y'all are getting a little antsy. First, I must also say thank you for actually almost getting me to 200 subscribers. Guys, I would love it if we could get to 200 subscribers before the end of the year. And also, can we please get at least 30 likes on this video? And yeah, this is setup. This is like a setup update. So let us start with the cable extensions. I don't know which one this is, but whatever one it is, let's get into it. GPU, 124 pin, and that is all you get. So here's the 24 pin. You got the end, which you plug into the cable part of your power supply. Don't worry about those little clips. Here's the end that you plug into your motherboard with the little clip. And there's a nice, beautiful green look, nice, beautiful braid, although I do not like that they make you braid it yourself. So here's the CPU. Same thing, end of it is fully connected, which you plug into your power supply cable. This is a GPU, not a CPU, sorry. That's how it spreads out. It's not a clip off, it's a slide off one. So here is a CPU cable. All these names always get me freaking confused. There's the end that you plug in, and there's the end that you plug into your power supply cable. Same thing, it splits out just like this. Here, let me show you guys again. That was kind of bad one. There we go. Miss Kitty would like to join us for this unboxing, but I don't think that can happen. So here's the Hyte Y40 case, fully tempered glass. You have your audio jack, two USB 3.0's power cable, and headphone jack, and USB-C cable. You get two intake for your intake fan at the bottom and your power supply intake. You have your tempered glass pop-off panel. There is no screws. You just pop that bad boy off. The cat's bothering me. Let me put this down so I can quickly pop this off. You need to use a little bit of force to pop that thing off. And there you go. It will tilt up. You will have to pull up. Be very, very, very careful because it says it is tempered glass. Handle with care. It can break easily. So now that we're in here, you can see the PCIe bracket with the little clippy boy, and the actual place you would install your graphics card in. This is the place where you put your motherboard in. You see right there is where you would plug it in. It's part of the PCIe bracket that you would need to plug into your motherboard, then plug into the side. As you can see here, you have your PCIe for your graphics card. I don't know how to speak today, guys. That's for expansion. The other one's for graphics. And it specifically says that you cannot use your graphics card in horizontal. It has to be upside and in vertical mode. There's no way to use it in any other orientation. So in the case, you get 3 top fans, radiator compatible, 2 side fans. It can be up to 140 millimeter. Top can also be up to 140 millimeter. You get this nice backside here, which is which is also pop off. As you can see, you pop that bad boy off. It's a little easier, although be very, very warned. These things are heavy as all freaking hell. It has this really cool, nice design on it with their H logo, and you can actually see the mesh right there. Now let's get into cables. You have your USB-C cable with a little cover on it. Please keep that cover on it until you actually plug it in, because these kind of cables are very, very delicate. Then you have your USB 3.0. Be delicate with that too. Then you have your HD audio. Then you have your front panel connector, which is bunched up into one, so you don't have to use any, like those singular connectors. You don't have to do that. You don't have to deal with that crap that I deal with all the damn time. You just get to use a front panel connector. Really helpful, really useful. Thank God it's here. Then you have your power supply intake with foam on the bottom for like vibration resistance when the fan kicks up. A lot of room. Then you have room for a 120 to 140 millimeter fan on the bottom, which it comes with one there. I decided to take it out and use my own Aero Cool fan, which is able to pull a lot more air. It's not really high quality, but it's able to pull more air than the ones that they give you. And just in case you're curious, my fan uses Molex and a regular front panel connector for a fan. You also have this raceway right here. Wonderful, wonderful raceway that you are gifted. Here's the SSD tray. You just pop it off with a thumb screw. Don't rip it off fully. Don't untighten it fully, because it will eventually just pop off. You can fit up to 1 hard drive or 2 SSDs on here. Very easy. Then you just pop it back in and tighten it down. You have this wonderful cutout right here so you can see the back of your motherboard. Some 24-pin and like other kind of cutouts. You have so very many tie-down spots for your zip ties or your cable ties from lttstore.com. You also have so much room back here. I mean, I could probably fit my whole hand back here and be able to close it. Yeah, that's pretty much all for the back. Right here at the top of it, this is the hardest thing to pop off. I'm going to try and do it one-handed. Oh, yeah, I can't. Okay, so let me grab this off for you guys. There we go. Okay. So this is the top panel, fully filtered, just like all the other ones. Here, as you guys can see, you can see the filter. It doesn't look like it's filtered, but it is filtered. With that cool design on it still. Then you have room for 3 fans. Here, let me go and grab some fans so I can actually show you. Where are the fans? There should be in here. Oh, yep, there they are. Okay. Please, switch, don't get in the way. Okay, well, the switch fell. Great. Well, here's one of the fans that they actually give you. And as you can see, this is a 120 millimeter fan. You can fit up to 3 120 millimeter fans or a 360 millimeter radiator. Here's what it looks like also on the back fan. They actually give you one right here. And yeah, they also give you expansion slots for your CPU cable so it doesn't get in the way. And yeah, this is the wonderful case. Here's the case with the cable extensions actually in it. So you can actually see like what the cable extensions would look like in the case. And yeah, there's a 24-pin curved in. Really beautiful. And yeah, that's all. Bye.
turn me up in the wave. Enemy, he try to lead me astray. Thanking you when I don't know what to pray. Lying, why would I act like the prey? Free, why would I act like a slave? Diamonds, maybe it's cause of the chains. Live for you, even though I decay. I'm forgiven, so I threw out the shame. Owe me gone, David Blaine. Know that this life bring major pain. Tell me now, can you stand the rain? What you know about a Christian? It's a new edition. Listen, watch how I ball like a piston. Life is a gift, you better not miss it. Live it before it's a rap like Christmas. Yesterday gone, don't think about the past. Then they know who I was under the mask. It look greener when you look at they grass. Jealousy make you blind to what you have. I never trip.